I have always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but every time I got close to actually doing it, I'd find a reason to wait. The script is not ready. My voice sounds terrible. I don't know how to edit yet. And honestly, I wasn't lying to myself. I genuinely felt uncertain. I didn't want to waste hours trying something I'd never done before, only to end up with something embarrassing. So I'd go back to planning instead. I've tried this multiple times, different niches, fresh starts, and every single time I'd sit down, open ChatGPT, plan out my first 50 videos, feel amazing about it, and then never touch an editing app. Not once. I've never edited a single video in my life, but I've planned hundreds of them. And for the longest time, I thought I just needed a better plan, a better script, a little more time to prepare. But if I'm being really honest with myself, I was just not ready to come out of my comfort zone. Because planning felt safe. Planning felt productive. I could spend 3 hours mapping out a content strategy and go to bed feeling like I had actually done something. But I hadn't done anything. And meanwhile, all my free time was going somewhere. Netflix, scrolling, hours disappearing without me even noticing. I wasn't too busy to start. I just kept choosing comfort every single time it came down to it. That was the loop I was stuck in for over a year. Get excited, make a plan, feel uncertain when it got real, drift back to something easier, then start the whole thing again a few weeks later like nothing happened. And I think the reason I kept going in circles was this. Inside my head, the channel was still perfect, still possible, still had a chance to be something great. But the moment I actually filmed and uploaded something, it had to survive the real world. People could watch it, judge it, click off after 10 seconds. I wasn't ready to risk that. So I kept the whole thing safely inside my head where nothing could go wrong. But here's what I eventually had to accept. That uncertainty never goes away on its own. You don't reach a point where you suddenly feel ready and confident and prepared. It doesn't work like that. The only way through it is to do it while you're still uncertain. Every person who's built something started before they felt ready. They just decided that the discomfort of trying was better than the comfort of never knowing. And I want that for myself now. Not a perfect plan, not a perfect script, just finally doing the thing I've been too comfortable to do for way too long.